Are you ready to surrender? Are you ready to be healed and see miracles unfold before your very eyes? Are you ready to crush the devil under your feet and walk in victory? Are you craving for divine love, the kind that restores, revives, and reignites your spirit? This is your moment. This is your season. This is the Light Up Revival Tour 2025.
Join us as we gather in the presence of God, a time to recharge our faith, to ignite your passion, and to witness the supernatural move of the Holy Spirit.
Come with an expectation. Come hungry for His powerful words. Come ready to be transformed, your life into His presence.